I'm going to show you how to reset your MacBook if you have forgot your password. When you're starting up your MacBook, you're going to hold the key down. Let's just shut it down and just, start from the beginning. You don't want to shut down. So you're going to hold that down and you're going to see a screen that says System Starting Options. Hold it until you see that screen, and then the next screen you see is going to be this one right here. You're going to click on the options, push continue. When you get this screen right here, you're going to let it do what it got to do, and another screen shall appear. But you ain't going to do nothing there. You're going to come up here and you're going to go to Utilities. In Utilities, if you can see it right there, when you get to the Utilities, you're going to hit Terminal. Going to hit that Terminal button, and right here, you're going to type Reset Password. R-E-S-E-T, no spaces, Password, P-A-S-S-W-O-R-D. Let's do that right now. Again, that's Reset Password. No spaces. And then we're going to hit Return. And then you're going to see this screen right here come up. When that screen comes up there, it's going to have that little thing right there. This. It says if you can't log into your computer because you forget your password, you can reset now. If you don't know the password of any of your Mac users, you can deactivate your Mac and set passwords for all users. An internet connection is required. So you're going to go up there and make sure that you are connected to the internet. Make sure you're connected to the internet or this is not going to work. Then you're going to come back down here and you're going to push Deactivate MacBook. And when that comes up, you're going to hit that like that, and it's going to tell you, are you sure you want to deactivate the MacBook? You're going to put deactivate. And it's going to do what it got to do. And then it's going to require you to make a new password. And there you can put your new password in. I hope this helped somebody because it helped me and I wanted to share it with y'all. This is how you reset your MacBook if you have forgotten your password.